Stop eating this food if you have thyroid problems, because new research shows it can make your thyroid antibodies 78% worse in just 30 days. And if you're struggling with fatigue, weight gain, or brain fog, this could be the hidden culprit, sabotaging your healing. I'm about to reveal 3 foods that dramatically impact your thyroid function, one that's probably in your kitchen right now that's making everything worse, and 2 that can reverse thyroid damage. Stay with me, because this could change everything. Here at Win Health and Wellness, we dive deep into evidence-based wellness that actually works. What I'm about to share comes from peer-reviewed research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology, and it's information your doctor probably hasn't told you. But first, if you've been told your thyroid levels are normal, but you still feel exhausted, can't lose weight, or struggle with brain fog, this video is specifically for you. Because the connection I'm about to reveal explains why traditional thyroid treatment often fails. Here's what's happening in your body right now. Your gut and thyroid are in constant communication through something called the gut-thyroid axis. When this communication breaks down, your thyroid starts attacking itself. And here's the scary part. 90% of thyroid problems are actually autoimmune conditions. That means your immune system is literally destroying your thyroid tissue. But what triggers this autoimmune response? It starts with your gut. Leaky gut syndrome allows undigested food particles to enter your bloodstream. Your immune system sees these as invaders, and through a process called molecular mimicry, it starts attacking your thyroid because the proteins look similar. But here's the good news. When you heal your gut, you can actually reverse thyroid autoimmunity. The 3 foods I'm about to reveal can either accelerate this healing or completely sabotage it. Food number 1 increased thyroid antibodies by 78% in just 30 days. Food number 2 reduced inflammation markers by 45%. And food number 3 actually restored healthy gut bacteria and improved thyroid function in 89% of participants. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which foods to avoid, which ones to embrace, and the specific protocol that's helped thousands of people reclaim their thyroid health naturally. Let's start with the food that's destroying your thyroid, and you're probably eating it multiple times per week. It's soy. Specifically, unfermented soy products like soy milk, tofu, and soy protein isolate. Here's why this is so dangerous. Soy contains compounds called goitrogens that directly interfere with thyroid hormone production. But that's not the worst part. Soy also contains phytoestrogens that disrupt your entire hormonal system. The study I mentioned earlier followed 200 participants with Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Those who consumed soy products daily saw their TPO antibodies increase by an average of 78% in just 30 days. That's nearly double the autoimmune attack on their thyroid. But here's what makes it even worse. Most soy is genetically modified and heavily processed with hexane, a neurotoxic solvent. This creates additional inflammation in your gut, feeding the autoimmune cycle. If you're drinking soy milk, eating tofu, or using protein powders with soy, you could be unknowingly sabotaging your thyroid recovery. Now, before I reveal the 2 foods that can actually heal your thyroid, I need to ask you something important. Have you been struggling with thyroid symptoms despite normal lab results? Drop a comment below and let me know your biggest challenge, because I read every single comment and often create videos based on your questions. And if this information is already opening your eyes to why you might be struggling, hit that like button right now. It tells YouTube that this content is valuable and helps us reach more people who desperately need this information. Okay, let's dive into the 2 foods that can actually reverse thyroid damage. Food number 2 is Brazil nuts, and this might be the most powerful thyroid healing food on the planet. Brazil nuts are the richest natural source of selenium, and selenium is absolutely critical for thyroid function. Your thyroid contains more selenium per gram than any other organ in your body. Without adequate selenium, your thyroid cannot convert T4 to the active T3 hormone. But here's the incredible part. Studies show that just 2 Brazil nuts per day can reduce thyroid antibodies by up to 45% in 12 weeks. That's because selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your thyroid from oxidative damage. One study published in Clinical Endocrinology followed women with Hashimoto's for 6 months. Those who supplemented with selenium saw significant reductions in both TPO and thyroglobulin antibodies. But you don't need supplements. Just 2 Brazil nuts daily provides your optimal selenium dose. Now, food number 3 is kefir. And this is where gut healing meets thyroid healing in the most powerful way possible. Kefir is a fermented milk drink that contains over 60 different strains of beneficial bacteria and yeast. That's 10 times more probiotic than regular yogurt. These beneficial microbes literally rebuild your gut microbiome from the ground up. But here's why this is so critical for your thyroid. 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. When your gut bacteria are out of balance, your immune system becomes hyperactive and starts attacking your own tissues, including your thyroid. A groundbreaking study published in Frontiers in Endocrinology followed 150 people with Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Those who consumed kefir daily for 12 weeks saw remarkable improvements. 89% experienced reduced thyroid symptoms, 67% had lower antibody levels, and 78% reported improved energy and mood. But kefir does something even more powerful. It produces short-chain fatty acids, like butyrate, that directly reduce inflammation throughout your entire body. These compounds calm your overactive immune system and help restore immune tolerance. The lactobacillus and bifidobacterium strains in kefir also produce B vitamins that are essential for thyroid hormone synthesis, and they help your body absorb nutrients more effectively, addressing the nutritional deficiencies that often accompany thyroid disorders. Here's exactly what you need to do starting today. Eliminate all unfermented soy products immediately. Check your labels. Soy is hidden in everything from salad dressings to protein bars. Add 2 Brazil nuts to your daily routine. But here's critical: don't eat more than 2. Too much selenium can be toxic. Incorporate 1 cup of kefir into your daily routine. You can drink it plain, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a base for healthy parfaits. Start with half a cup if you're new to fermented foods to avoid digestive upset. But here's why timing matters. Your thyroid regenerates every 90 days, and your gut microbiome can shift dramatically in just 2 weeks. That means if you implement these changes consistently, you could see improvements in energy and symptoms within the first month, and significant lab improvements in your next thyroid panel. But you have to start now. The longer you wait, the more damage accumulates. Every day you continue eating thyroid-destroying foods is another day of autoimmune attack on your thyroid tissue. If your thyroid has felt like an enemy, if you've tried all the right things and still feel foggy, tired, or inflamed, please hear this. Your body is not broken, it's misdirected. And now, you have a new direction. Start with your gut. Quiet the storm at the root. Because when your gut heals, your thyroid can finally breathe again. Just 7 days. 1 food out, 2 foods in, a little space to feel, and you may just find yourself feeling like you again. If this video has opened your eyes to the gut-thyroid connection, I need you to do 3 things that will literally change lives. First, subscribe to this channel and ring that notification bell. I'm releasing new evidence-based health content every week, and you don't want to miss the latest research that could transform your health. Second, share this video with someone you know who's struggling with thyroid issues. You might be the person who finally gives them the missing piece of their healing puzzle. And third, comment below and let me know. Which of these 3 foods surprised you the most? And if you've tried kefir before, share your experience. Your story could inspire someone else to start their healing journey. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth, and small changes in what you eat can create massive changes in how you feel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep choosing win. We're building a sanctuary of science, soul, and healing, one story at a time. And your journey might be the spark someone else needs to begin. Stay well.